G'day, today I'm taking a look at the Thermal Master P3. It's a tiny thermal camera with a 256 by 192 thermal sensor and it has a macro lens that's adjustable. You can plug it into your Android device or your iPhone using USB-C, and it also has a USB-C to Lightning adapter. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So we need to download this Temp Master app by the looks of it. So here's an Android phone with Temp Master. Just install. Inside the box, I've got these little boxes. So that is a USB-C extension cable with a little USB-A plug. That's nice if you don't want to put too much strain on your phone. You can use this extension cable instead. There's an extension of warranty for 3 years. Oh, that's a big and chunky quick start guide. Okay, it's in multiple languages, so that's not too much reading. That's the user manual or the quick start guide if you want to go through it. So what have we got here? So you need to download the software. Ooh, those specifications. A lot of frequently asked questions. So 91 is recommended for a PCB, okay. And that's the English section. So if you want to refer back, feel free to take a look at that. Okay, let's explore. Here is a case, a nice little compact case. That's even got a foam cutout in the box. So here is the case. Got that little logo, looks like an eye. And there it is, the P3. Ooh, that is... So that's the Lightning to USB-C adapter. So it's quite compact. Can adjust the lens. All right. Let's check out the Temp Master app and get started. So click open. Okay, instructions. Next, next. Experience now. Camera, file access, using the app. Allow all. Boom. Gonna go ahead and turn on this torch. So that is on high. Cool. So there's the torch. It's currently heating up. You can see 25 degrees. Oh, there we go. So there's a color palette. At the bottom, it's a color palette. And I'll switch to iron red because that's what I'm familiar with. And we can see it's starting to get a bit hotter. While that's getting hot, I'm going to go ahead and get an electronic load and hook that up and see how that goes. So here's an electronic load. Boom. That's the electronic load. Doing 140 watts on this power bank. Whoa, that is hot. So it's like 80 degrees Celsius. That's way hotter than I thought it was getting. It's got all these different color palettes. Medical, lava. Let's check out the power bank. So the power Z USB meter is a little bit warm. And the power bank itself cool. You can actually see the screen. Oh, the resolution is pretty good. That's interesting. What about the side? So cool. Oh, so that electronic load is way hotter than I thought. The FET's getting up to like 80 degrees Celsius. And the power bank's handling it quite well at 140. So you can see the power bank's doing like 138, 140 watts, 28 volts, 5 amps. It takes a little bit of getting used to figure out the app, but probably should read the user manual. At the moment, I'm just going to keep exploring and see how it is. Yeah, it's really cool, the amount of resolution that's there. I wonder how close we can get. So that is where the camera is on the side. How close can we get to... Ooh, that's nice. That is nice and close. Alright. Get this torch. That's not actually that hot. I guess that's good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Copper looks really shiny. Yeah, it looks dull with the patina here, but it's really shiny on the thermal camera. Nice. Zoom in and focus. There's the fins. That is so cool. Okay, so that's just a quick look at the Thermal Master P3. I'm going to go ahead and keep testing this out with different flashlights. And yeah, the main thing I'm doing is testing flashlights here and doing some power bank like tests just to see the capacity. But yeah, the power banks don't get that hot. Let's unplug this. So that is the Thermal Master P3. Thanks Thermal Master for sending this through for review. And yeah, I'm going to have a lot of fun checking this out with all my electronics and flashlights and gadgets. It's got really good resolution. It's so cool so far. And the ability to like just focus with the macro lens, that is awesome. If you check out the link in the description below, you can get, I think, a 10% discount. So yeah, check it out. And yeah, I'm going to keep checking this one out. So far, it's better than the existing thermal camera I'm currently using, which is like 32 by 32. This one's already blowing it away. So yeah, it's awesome.